right? We're talking about it now, break and hold, right? If this candle stays up in here and we get a new candle higher, that's a break and hold, right? Yeah, we're doing 1 minute candle always on a scalp, right? This is a scalp. There you go. There's your break and hold. See it? If this broke through and pulled right back down, it didn't hold anymore, right? So, of course, this is more of a dangerous zone, but I'm telling you, this looks better than sitting down here, doesn't it? Now we've got potential more to the upside. Am I right? So we dip a Danny DeVito toe. This is where I talk about sizing. Watch me do this. I've now sized in a smaller position size with Google, and this is what I'm talking about. If this pulls back, it doesn't hurt me that bad, right? If this starts to go to the upside, I add to the up, right? I add to the positive side. I never add when I'm losing. Because if it starts to go up, I was right at the time of entry. So now it is planning to go up, correct? Does that make sense to everybody? So I won't go heavy here because we know this is a danger zone. We're scalping. I can scalp now if I want. I mean, you can see right here, I'm already to the green, right? I have room to go on Google. We know 100 is going to be support. If it can't hold 100, we get it the hell out. Right there it goes. You see how it's going to the upside? Trying to add more on Google here. Can't add. It's going too fast. I'll just cancel the order. I'm chasing it. Now you're in a positive on Google. Do you see it? There you go. There it goes. So that makes sense to everybody. That's a break and hold.